about this for 2 months, and now electrical shocks and water leaking. This is unacceptable.
Huh?
Eh, what the? Why everything's not done yet? Everything's still not intact. Oh my god.
2 hours later.
I should hate the contractor. Maybe not the contractor. I'm calling my lawyer. I'm gonna sue them. But I don't have money. Maybe just the tribunal. The Consumer Claims Tribunal, or TTPM, is established under Section 85, Part 12 of the Consumer Protection Act 1999. It functions under the Ministry of Domestic Trade and Cost of Living and has its relation to hear claims relating to purchase of goods and service as long as they fall within the scopes of the Act 599. The tribunal may only hear the claims not exceeding up to 15,000, and the claim must be brought within 3 years from the incident occurred. However, the tribunal cannot hear matters involving personal injury or death, recovery of lands or estate interests, and certain regulated professional services such as healthcare and aviation. It also cannot hear the matter where another tribunal has already been established under the written law to determine the same type of claim.
Applying this principle, Mrs. Lim's claim clearly falls within the jurisdictions of TTPM. The washing machine she purchased is a consumer good under Section 3 of Consumer Protection Act. Although it came with a valid warranty, the retailer refused to repair, replace or refund the defective machines after only 2 months of use. The 20,000 claim is well within the tribunal's 50,000 monetary limit, and the claim is made within the required 3-year period. So the matter also does not fall within any excluded categories such as personal injury or a land recovery. Since Mrs. Lim wished to avoid lengthy and costly court proceeding, the tribunal is the appropriate and efficient forum for her to seek redress for the defective washing machine. For conclusion,
Mrs. Lim could ask for 20,000 ringgit claim from the tribunals.
The Tribunal for Consumer Claims Malaysia, or TTPM, is established under Section 85 of the Consumer Protection Act 1999. So it functions as an alternative to the civil courts for consumer disputes. Under Section 98 Sub 1, the tribunal may hear claims involving the supply of goods or services to consumers, provided that the claim does not exceed amount of 50,000 ringgit Malaysia. This jurisdiction was affirmed in the case of Su Tiangju and Tribunal for Consumer Claims and another. In that case, the appellant sought reimbursement for vehicle repair costs, and although the tribunal dismissed part of his claim, the Court of Appeal confirmed that the tribunal acted within its jurisdiction, which is the claim fell below the amount of 50,000 ringgit Malaysia, and the appellant was recognised as a consumer under Section 2 of the Act. The court also upheld the finality of the tribunal's decision under Section 1161. Overall, the case illustrates that the TPPM has clear authority to determine consumer disputes within its monetary limit.
Applying to this issue, Mr. Ahmad may file his 40,000 ringgit claim at the TPPM for incomplete renovation works. Renovation services performed for personal use qualify as a consumer services, and the contractor's failure to complete the work amounts to a breach of a service contract. Since his claim is below the 50,000 ringgit limit under the Section 98 Clause 1, the tribunal has full jurisdiction to hear it. In the case of Su Tiangju case, supports this, confirming that the tribunal can adjudicate claims under the 50,000 ringgit Malaysia. Using the tribunal is also practical because it provides a faster, cheaper and more informal dispute resolution process than the courts, making it the appropriate forum for Mr. Ahmad's situation. For conclusion,
Mr. Ahmad can claim the amount of 40,000 ringgit from the tribunal.